Hi, welcome to 2024, Term 4, Class B, practicing video number 8. Now, this week we have some finger exercises. Then we will have a look at the new piece, Jingle Bell, the second part. So let's start with our finger exercises. First one, I want you to try this on the table or try on the piano 4 board. So we're not going to play the keys, just on the board. Keep your wrist on the board. We don't want to hold it up like this. We want to touching the board, resting on the board. Make your hands nice and round. All the knuckles have to sticking out. We don't want to collapse like this. Okay, so always going up, and the wrist resting on the board. So we're lifting each fingers up 4 times. Lift them as high as possible and touching the key with your curved fingertips. Okay, now let's start from finger number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now finger number 2. Make sure you lift them high. Left, touch, left, touch. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 times, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 4, 5. Then you can try 3 fingers. You can write down on a piece of paper all the 3 fingers combination. You can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, and then you can do 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, sorry, 1, 3, 5, and 1, 4, 5. So any 3 fingers combination. Okay, now each one we do 4 times. Do it nice and slow, and make sure you keep the fingers as high as possible. Lift them high, then touching the boards gently. Okay, now when you finish right hand, you can do left hand. So always check your wrist and knuckles. We need to see the knuckles. The big knuckles are the highest point of your hand posture. We don't want to go like this. This is very common bad hand postures. So we try to keep a nice and curved our fingers. Rest on the floor, rest on the board all the times. Lift the finger as high as possible. So same exercises as right hand. Each finger. If you can't lift the number 4 like this, you can do 4, 5 like this, and then 3, 2, 1. Then do 2 fingers, 1, 2, or 1, 3, or 1, 4, or 2, 4. Then after that, it's 3 fingers. So it will be good if you have a piece of paper, write it down. So when you do the exercises, put it right on the piano so you can see it. Make sure to do it slowly. Keep your hands, knuckles up, and lift the finger as high as possible. So that's our first one. Second one is we're feeling the fingertips. So put your hands on the board. Raise the knuckles. If your fingers are quite close to each other, now's the time to separate them and bend our fingertips. Now let's grab the piano or grab the board with your fingertips and kind of like try to move it. Feel the fingertips, this little skin, the mitt here is very tight. It grips piano very, very tight. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 4 finger combination, legato. That means we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a slow motion and very squeezy fingertips. So you shouldn't hear a banging sound like this. This is wrong. We're using our slow motions and squeezy fingers. So 4 fingers at a time, then you can move to the next group. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 1. 3, 4, 5, 1. 4, 5, 1, 2. 4, 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3. So I did the fingers in order, but 4 finger as a group. But you can do the random fingers as well. Okay, just remember our fingertips have to be really, really tight. Feel like you are grabbing to a piece of wood. Yeah, feel the tightness. Feel